Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Ink. Don't forget the ink. It surprises me that even to this day, 2020, February the 15th, 2020, that there's people out there that still don't know the difference between Mopar Spindles, don't have any idea, get sold a bill of goods, get sold the wrong shit when the information is out there by hundreds and hundreds of pages. And I know that I put enough information out there that it shouldn't be that big a deal if people do their due diligence and just look around a little bit. So, factory spindles that came out in 1970. Here they are. That's them. All spindles. All spindles used an A6 bearing and an A2. All of the Mopars, besides the Imperial, used an A6 and an A2 bearing. Well, what the fuck does that mean, Wayne? 1¼ and 3/4. 1¼ 3/4. For you slow people, 1¼ and 3/4. 1¼ and 3/4. 1¼ and 3/4. Well, that one looks just like it. Well, it is just like it. It's exactly like it, and that's why you get to use it for disc brake kits. This spindle came out in 1973 and was used on the darts and the dusters. That's why the aftermarket made these things and they sell these things. So, what's the difference? Well, the difference is, in 1973, Mopar increased the pin size. That's all they did. They increased the inner bearing to 1 3/8. That's called an A17. An A17. A17, A2. A17, A2. A17, A2. A17, A2. Got it? A6, A2, A6, A2, A6, A2. That's the only difference. Pin caliper brackets don't look anything like sliders that got introduced in 73. Don't look like them at all. Pin caliper brackets. Two styles. 11-inch rotor and 12-inch rotor. Two styles. 11-inch rotor, 12-inch rotor. Well, Wayne, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about. It's 11.75. I don't give a shit. That's close enough. 11 and 12. The only difference that they did was that span is 3/8 of an inch more. That span is a 3/8 of an inch more. So when they's on a table, it's really kind of hard to look unless you match them up just right. So, pin calipers, that's what was used. 70, 71, and 72. The exact same components were used on the B and E body 70, 71, and 72. In 73 and 74, they changed the B body to the transverse torsion bars, mounted the calipers in the rear, and they used a different caliper. So, there you go, my friend. The factory original spindles. The factory original spindles. The factory original spindles. The factory original spindles. Inch and a quarter separates them from everything else. Hear what I said? That being an inch and a quarter designates it as an original spindle. 70, 71, and 72. So, that ain't one. It's big right there. This is one of them doohickey charger spindles. That ain't one. Look how big that is. A17. And poor little bastards, they get caught up. Look at the subtle difference. As you can see from the earlier one, right there. And look at that. Great big old notch. No notch. All that's still just old bullshit. Inch and a quarter. That's all you gotta know. Inch and a quarter. That's all you gotta know. I think I've beat it up enough. Quit getting swindled by these people selling Mopar parts, and they have no idea what the fuck they are, where they come from, or what they go on. Use at your own risk.